for him, they are bunting. Good for him. Good for him. Nonsense. It's good for him. He has come like that. Good for him. Good for him. You come to disrupt the election. Good for him. Look at how much did they pay you? How much? How much did they pay you? How much did they pay you? Good for him.
Look at them. See people. See them running. Can you imagine? They've started again. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ami should come. Oh my God. Somebody go fail. From these people. Keep your phone up. Put my phone down. Ami should come. So I don't throw stone inside this house. Oh, that's their plan. Hey, woo. Throw what stone?
First thing people's going to ask and say is, what going in Africa? Election are going in Africa. Yeah, feed them election in Nigeria right now. You see me? And you know, enough people are going to look on it and say, boy, Africa they worse and Africa this and no. And everywhere in Africa, specifically Nigeria, and everywhere in that country stay like that. You see me? I say, what really are going is that election are going. You see me? I say, and them are try to choose who are the new president, you know, for Nigeria. You see me? I say, and 72 people. You see me? If me not get it wrong, you know, 72 people supposed to run for that seat there or something like that. You see me? I say, 72 candidates. You see it? Out of the 72 of them, I must say only 5 man. You know, 5 of them out of the 72 of them stands out amongst the whole Nigeria. You see me? I say, you have me don't want to get it wrong. You have YPP, you have APC, you have ANN, you have PDP. You see me? I say them party there. You see me? The first scene we see right there so is that them throw a man in our fire and so forth. You see me? I say you don't know the thing go. It's like the man must disrupt them whole election settings and them just them basically kill the fella. You see me? I say one whole bunch of riot and all these things. It just not safe. It just not really safe. You see me? And the people are really and truly are cry out for a little, you know. And what the police them there? For the whole scene we not see no police. You see me? I say, just looking at it. Where are the people that is supposed to be protecting the land of Nigeria? That's why I hear me there ask you, what really are going in a Nigeria election? You see it? Ah boy. Anyways, I don't know the thing go on the story go. You see me? I say if you need to know more what go on, you have to click the subscribe button. You see me? I say if you want to stay up to date and see what go on in Jamaica and the world, you know the Skilla did it already. If you want to contact me, you read the description below. You know you can also hook me up on the Insta. You see me? I say Dancehall, Skilla the spelling. You know the thing set. You see me? I say my name is Skilla, and that way just say is Dancehall Skilla's Entertainment.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.